Today we continue our Christmas gift series. If you still have a couple of hours left, you'll definitely have enough time to make this scrunchie. We'll need about 15 grams of any mohair yarn, a 2.5mm crochet hook and a hair elastic. Chain 101. I'm not sure what yarn I'm using because a friend gave it to me, it was leftover from her sweater, but as with most mohair, it's wonderfully fluffy and incredibly perky. Turn your work and pick up stitches through the back bump to create a neat edge along the bottom. You can make a turning chain of 3 or use the method I'm showing right now. Then work the standard mesh stitch. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, one double crochet. Again, chain 1, skip 1 stitch, one double crochet. Repeat to the end of the row. Turn your work and continue following the same mesh pattern. If you are making this scrunchie for a baby, size small is enough, that's 5 rows of the mesh pattern. For a preteen, size medium is 7 rows, and for adult size large is 9 rows. Now fold the piece in half and sew the sides together using single crochet stitches. Work into both loops. I add a picot stitch over every second double crochet to make the scrunchie look cuter and more finished. You can skip this step or add a picot over every double crochet if you prefer a more decorative look. cut the yarn, sew the ends together, and weave in the ends. And that's it, your scrunchie is ready. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye!